Today I have a smartphone vlogging kit by ONN, a Focus ONN smartphone vlogging kit with Bluetooth remote control. It says also made for Apple besides Android. What's included in this, and by the way, before I get started, I paid $31.48 for this. I also paid $7 and it looks like 36 cents, $7.36 for insurance from Walmart, for a total of almost $39. And that doesn't include tax either, so it was probably over $40 after the tax is included into that. So I opened up the box to see what was included before I started the video. First thing that I saw is this ONN smartphone vlogging kit quick start guide. I'm actually gonna open this up. Let's see, what is in the box? Included in the box is one tripod, one phone clip, that I discovered expands as such, so you can slide your phone into it. One LED light. It's got 49 individual LEDs on it. One LED light. One LED light. Microphone with a 3.5mm cable. Microphone with a 3.5mm cable. A Bluetooth remote shutter with a CR Charles Romeo 2032 button battery. Remote. The top button is for iOS. The bottom button, the small button, is for Android devices. And in the back, if and when the battery dies, you can remove the screw with a small Phillips screwdriver and replace it with a CR2032 button battery. 3 sets of batteries. I have a AAA for the microphone, and I have 2 AA batteries for the LED light. And finally, I have 2 sets of cables. One is a female 3.5mm receptacle that you would stick the 3.5mm jack into. And on the opposite side is a male USB-C connecting point, male connecting point. And the other cable is a female 3.5mm female receptacle that would take the male end of a 3.5mm jack. And on the opposite side of that is a male lightning connector for an Apple phone. So to assemble this real quickly, let's see what we got going on here. First of all, you take the tripod and you press it with, well, I'm going to press it with my thumb slightly to the right, just gently. So press it to the right and it will split apart, like so. Spread it out, turns into a tripod. Flip it over. Press your red buttons, red button, press it to release. Lift it up slightly. Actually, it will go up, looks like greater than 90 degrees, but I don't need it to go up that far at this moment. So I'm going to stick it back down to about this point right here. I'm going to take the, what is this thing called in here? Phone clip. I'm going to take the phone clip. I'm going to take the I'm going to put it so that it's standing up. So I'm going to put the male end of this threaded screw into this female side to receive the threaded screw. Screw it on. Looks like it's secure. The phone would slide in here. Right now I'm using my phone to record, so I'm not going to stick the phone in there. But again, this does expand depending on what size your phone is. So the phone itself would slide in here. Into this top receptacle, will slide the LED mechanism. It's got a square, looks like a square port and square connecting point on the bottom that you can also screw into. And it's got a knob that you can use to tighten it down and to loosen it up. So I'm going to put that in here. It seems to me that in the drawings in the guide, this guide right here, the quick start guide, it seems to me that this portion right here in my left hand is supposed to be the front. So I'm going to stick with that. I'm going to go ahead and slide this LED light into the female receptacle like such. And I'm going to tighten it down. Let's see if I can get that to tighten down. Yeah, and actually that is a little secure. Tighten down. Slide the microphone into the top female receptacle right here. Put this male end into this female end. Actually, before I do that, let me insert the batteries. I think I'm getting a little ahead of myself here. So I just took off the battery cover off the back of the LED light. And I'm going to put these batteries in real quick. Let's see what we've got going on here. Let's try it again. There we go. Maybe not. Try it again. All right. Hopefully that'll work. The switch is on the back, the button. It also controls the light level, so let's see if it works. Yep, it does work. And let's see if I can get the level of the light to go down by pressing the button again. 1, 2, 3. It seems to be changing. Yeah, it definitely is changing. It's getting brighter. Now it's getting dimmer. Okay, let me hold the button down to turn it off. Let's put the final battery, the AAA battery, into the microphone. Okay, I'm removing the battery door from the mic as such. Inserting the AAA battery, sliding the door back on. And it looks like we have a control here. Looks like the top is to use with a phone or a tablet, and the bottom is to use with a camera. I would assume that that's a video camera. I would assume. Okay, take the male end right here, slide it into the female end receptacle right here on the LED light, slide it in as such. That fits in there real nice actually. Screw it on to tighten it down. Actually, it's not bad. It's really not bad. And the phone would go in here. I'm using the phone to record, so I'm not gonna show the phone in on this go round. I just recently purchased a GoPro, but I'm still trying to get it figured out. So the phone goes in here, in this receptacle right here. The LED works as such. I discovered that the remote control works. In my case, because I have an iPhone, I would plug this 3.5mm jack into the receptacle with the lightning end on it, and I would plug the lightning end into my phone as such, with the phone in here. And I would speak into the microphone, and I would use this to do vlogging. Anyways, short and sweet, putting it together, telling what it is. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and end this here. Please like and subscribe, and I appreciate your time. It's pretty simple to put together, and it looks like it's made of plastic. So obviously it's not anything that's made of, it's kind of lighter. It's not very solid, super solid material. But it looks like it was engineered to do the job. And quite frankly, I purchased another tripod from ONN that I did a review on previously. And that particular tripod cost me about $25, and was very impressed with the level of engineering that went into that tripod. And this one's slightly more expensive. It does have LEDs, and it does have some level of electronics associated with it by way of the microphone. So maybe that explains why this smaller smartphone vlogging kit was actually more expensive than the larger tripod that I purchased from ONN previously. But I was happy with that product, and this product seems to be well made as well, and therefore I'm going to try it out. But on first analysis, I would say that this is probably worth purchasing, and I think that I'll know after about a month or so, but I think I would purchase this again. So I appreciate your time. Please like and subscribe, and have a good evening. Thank you. Bye.